We need to remove quite a bit of this through here. Trying to shoot for 15-foot spacing between the big ones. Get rid of all the ladder fuels. So that's the plan. This is what it looks like now. Wait till the end of the day. All right, we had to reposition it a little bit and we ran out of gas, so let's get back to it. So after they get that one cleaned up there, we're gonna go ahead and drop this big one. Goes way up there. The biggest one of today. Almost as big as the one yesterday. Maybe the same size. But we gotta get this out of here first, so stick around. Okay, got you up here behind a tree. Don't be scared. It's gonna come this way. It'll look cool. We'll see.